Hi, it's me again. I got a tree. It's new. So every time like you guys are watching my videos, I'm probably gonna have something new in the background. I guess it's just something that's gonna happen. So I watched Minority Report for the first time yesterday and my mind is blown. I know that's like a classic movie. Came out in 2002. I was 13 when it came out. Hard to believe, but yeah, it was interesting. I thought that it highly underrated, or maybe I'm just like totally out of the loop, but I thought it was really interesting. The eyeball part really creeped me out though. You know what else is creepy? Hearing about past life regression. It's fascinating, but it's creepy at the same time because it's like, how much of it did they just how much of it is it just kids or the people that learned about it? They've learned about like that time period of when they claim to be past lives, where they claim to be of that past life. Like they could have learned that stuff and then said they're from that time period. Like I heard one today about a woman who was raised like in a Christian household like here in the US, and she was Irish Catholic and she claimed to be an Egyptian priestess. And she knew things that she shouldn't have known. Like from the age of like 3 years old, she knew that she was Seti, I think it was. She knew that she was that Egyptian priestess. And that's the part that really freaks me out, is the kids that think that they are reincarnated or recall past lives. Because it's like, they're so young, like 2 or 3 years old. You don't know. How's a 2 or 3 year old gonna know stuff like that? By the way, if you hear the ice cream truck music outside, that's not coming from inside my house, that's coming from outside. Highlight of my day though, seeing that ice cream truck. Do I go out and get ice cream? No. It's too dangerous. I must stay inside. Alright, so I'm just putting Shape Tape on the upper half of my eye, and I put some of the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter eye primer on my lower lid. Alright, and today I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Melted Shadows in the color French Lace. And I already put on lipstick. I used the Urban Decay color Ravenswood. It's in the cream lipstick. And I'm probably going to use this because I really like this color. But we'll see. Ravenswood sounds like a goth subdivision. I don't know. I live there. Alright, so I'm going to come in a little closer. Okay. And I love this color. It's a really pretty like lavender color. And I love French lace. That just sounds pretty. Now I'm going to take a lighter foundation, and I'm going to use this Makeup Forever foundation, the Matte Velvet, and I'm going to use that on my upper lid to just make that cut crease. I'm going to use this tiny little sword makeup brush. I've got a little bit too much out, so I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. Ooh, that's a lot. Put it there. This is not as light as I thought it would be, but whatever. I was listening to one of my favorite podcasts today, and That's Why We Drink. and they were talking about that story I was referring to, and it's just fascinating. Like, that girl, she like went on and just became fascinated by Egyptian culture, and she actually was taught by someone in a museum hieroglyphics. So she knew how to speak and write in hieroglyphics, which is just fascinating. Like, from the age, like, from being a preteen, he started teaching her when she was like 12. It's just fascinating. And like, when she was learning about it, she was like, oh yeah, I'm not really learning this. This is just me remembering this. And I was like, that is so creepy, but cool at the same time. And again, I'm not sure if I believe in the whole past life thing, but it's still like interesting, you know, to consider that something like that could happen. Okay, there we go. It's right there. And it's like a really pretty, like, pearlescent color. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with that color because it's like really, really like kind of unicorn white, but it has like a little bit of like a pink tint to it because I just want this upper lid to be really light. See? Oh yeah, that's pretty. Okay, so I just put that color all over my lids, and now I'm gonna go in that same palette and use the color Spitfire, that pink color, and I'm just gonna do like right there. Thought it would be a really nice contrast. And I'm going in with the same brush. It's like a teeny tiny Morphe brush. It's the M421. What is that? What the world? I have no idea how I got that there. I'm gonna go in with Frog from ColourPop. It's this color, and just go over that with that same really small Morphe brush. Or actually, I feel like with the pressed shadows it does better with your finger, so I'm just gonna be very delicate with my pinky finger and go in. Okay, so now I'm gonna go with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Carli Bybel palette, and I'm gonna use the color Bear, just kind of like this nude color right here, and I'm just gonna do that on my upper lid. Okay, I'm gonna use this eyeliner now. It's the Marc Jacobs eyeliner in the color Out of the Blue, and I'm gonna line my lower lid and my upper lid with this color. Okay, so that is done. I'm gonna go in with some really old eyeliner that I probably should not be using, but it's Sephora, and it's called Pool Party. I don't even know if they make this anymore, but it's a really pretty electric blue color, and I'm just gonna go over what I did, just make sure it looks sharper. Okay, so this is what we have for right now, and then I'm gonna try to do something that I've never done before, which is sometimes a scary and bad idea, but we like to push things, I guess, and I'm a pusher. What? That's from a movie. Name that movie. Because I don't remember it. Okay, so I'm gonna go down, and you can't see what I'm doing, so I'm gonna push the camera down. Okay. Okay, so this is what I have for now, and now I'm gonna do some mascara, and I think I'm gonna use the Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara, just this one. I'm gonna do that really quick on my eyelashes. I feel like a tiger or something. So I really love this mascara, but it's like ridiculously hard to get off. It's Essence Lash Princess again. This is just like one coat, and it's waterproof, but like it's really hard to get off. Like it takes like 2 days sometimes, but it does do the job. It does definitely gets your lashes up. Alright, so now I'm gonna do foundation, and I don't know if I've talked about this before, but I really like this primer. I do feel like it went fast though. It's the Tarte, I think it's the Shape Tape, yeah, Shape Tape Pore and Prime Balm. This stuff is awesome. Obviously I do love it. But yeah, I'm gonna prime my face with this, and then we're gonna do foundation, but I don't think I'm gonna show you guys me putting on my foundation today because I'm just gonna do what I usually do. So I'm gonna do that really quick, and I'll be back to do highlighter and blush. You know what's unfortunate? When your face doesn't get as tan as your body. So you're always trying to match your face to your body. That's unfortunate. That's my first world problem of the day. So now I'm just kind of filling in my brows with the brow gel from Benefit. And I do number 6. This is just what I usually do, and I've already put on foundation. I'm gonna do some blush in a second. Yeah, I feel like a freaking tiger. I don't know if I'd wear this out in public. Or I belong in the band Kiss. But that's okay. It's makeup. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna do some blush and highlight. Actually, I'm not gonna do a highlight because this is a little bit much, but I am gonna go in with the bronzer, Park Avenue Princess, and I'm gonna use this brush. I'm gonna use the blush Rally. I think I used that in my last video, but oh well, I like it. And I'm gonna do some fake lashes in a second. Yeah, like I seriously, this is really dramatic, but I haven't been wearing makeup recently, so you know, I don't know. Just wow. It's like so bright. And again, this is Ravenswood. I'm using on my lips. I think I'm gonna keep my lipstick pretty basic. It's like a really pretty like mauvey nude, which most of my lipsticks are. Or I should say most of my lip colors are a mauvey nude, because I don't know, I just gravitate towards that. And it's pretty creamy, so I'm not going to put anything on top of that. I'm pretty much done with this, so I'm going to set it, and then when I come back I'll have my lashes on. And today for lashes I'm using the eyeliner London Luxe Cashmere. They're pretty dramatic. Since this is a pretty dramatic look, I thought why not. So I'll be back, and when I come back I'll have these on. Okay, so this is the finished look. Put on these lashes. Apparently you're supposed to get 15 wears out of these. Yeah, we'll see about that. I'm tempted to put like a little tally mark each time I wear them. But yeah, what do you guys think? I feel like this lash is being a little weird. All right, so all right. Let me know what you think. I hope to see you guys again in my next video. If you have any requests, let me know. And thanks for watching once again. Bye.